Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing for the new Huawei FreeClip. It's the latest audio device from Huawei. It's something new design, even new look. So as you can see here, it's ultimate, stable and comfortable. AI call noise cancellation, open acoustic design and dual device connection, left and right ear auto adaptation, and sweat-proof IP54, so it's dust and water resistant. So let's do the unboxing together. So as we can see, the first thing here in the box is the FreeClip itself. And we will get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable with some manual users and warranty cards. And right now I have the black color, as it's mentioned in the box here. It's mentioned black color, but as you can see, it's kind of silver frost. But the buds itself, from inside, it looks like black color. So first of all, the case is very light. It's only 54 grams, which is very light, and it has Huawei logo in the front. It looks very good, even it's very small, not that much big. And from inside you can see the FreeClip itself. It looks amazing, guys, and it's really very lightweight. It's only 5.4 grams, and as we can see, this part will be inside the ears and this part will be backside of the ears. So we will try it and we will check how the sound quality, how is the mic, and how comfortable it is. And this part in between is very flexible, so it will adjust, or it will take your ear shape. So it's very nice, guys. It has like 2 mics and 1 voice pickup technology, which it, as is mentioned in Huawei website, that FreeBuds or FreeClip, it just pick up your voice and cancel all the noise around you. And for sure it doesn't have noise cancellation because it doesn't go inside the ears. This one will be like half in ear, which it doesn't go exactly inside your ear canal, so there is no noise cancellation. And it comes with 10.8 mm magnetic driver, so I expect that the sound quality will be good in this one. Plus also this material is so soft and it feels so comfortable, guys. I feel that it will be so comfortable once you wear it. Anyway, we'll just try it and do another video for full review about it. Plus also the battery life here, each buds will last up to 8 hours. And with the case 36 hours, so every time the buds will be out of battery, you can just place it back in the case, it will charge again. Plus also you can put the right or the left anywhere. There is no right and left here. This is also a good thing. And for sure it's Type-C charging, so you can use any Type-C to charge the case. And how to connect it, you need just to long press here and you can connect it to any device, iOS or Android. And for the people who like to do some workout or exercise with these FreeClips, it's IP54, like you can say splash and dust resistant. It's not water resistant, it's a splash and dust resistant. And the good thing also here, it supports the touch control, so you can just by touching your ears. So just imagine that this part will be in your ears, just touch your ears from the top, so you can control the volume, you can control the like media, next song, previous song, and also accepting the calls and rejecting the calls as well. And regarding the audio formats which the FreeClip support, it supports SBC, AAC and L2HC, but L2HC it required Huawei phones running EMUI 13 or later. And again we'll talk about the charging. As we mentioned that each buds will stay up to 8 hours and the case will last up to 36 hours. But what about the charging time? So the free clip, each buds to charge it from 0 up to 100%, it will take up to 40 minutes. And the case itself, without the free clip, it will take up to 60 minutes. And it will take up to 150 minutes for the wireless charging. Yes guys, the free clip, it supports wireless charging. It will take up to 150 minutes without the earbuds, wireless. So that was the full unboxing for the free clip, guys. We will do another video to talk about more specification and the experience after trying it. So just if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in next video. Thank you.